As a photographer, I always needed an extra camera to shoot BTS. A few months back, I had bought a drone called DJI Mini 4 Pro. I used it for aerial drone footages or capturing a huge scene. I didn't realize that it was a very amazing camera in such a small form factor. Also, it has a gimbal, so extremely stabilized footage, and it has a very wide angle view. Also, it came with its own monitor, in normal cameras is extremely expensive. So I started exploring options on how I can mount it on tripod so that it will be safe to use. This is finally how I solved it. So this is an arm grip, which is used to mount action cameras onto your arms, and so it has this quarter-inch screw, so it can be mounted onto anything. This is how you can strap this mount on DJI Mini 4 Pro. The extra grip is given to tighten the setup all in together. This is the quarter-inch threading which you can mount it on a tripod, and this is how it will look when it's set up. This is an extremely stable setup, as you can see. This teeth you can order online. I'll link it in the description, and you can order this tool as well too, so that it can be tightened safely. And these are the two setups that I've created. So this is the first setup. I have used L mount, which is used for vertical shooting. I have used this setup so that I can mount an extra light on the side of it, and this is mounted on a Gorilla tripod with a ball head. So this is how the whole setup looks. This is my second setup, in which I have used Insta360 selfie stick. This is the extended version. You can get the smaller version as well, which fits right in your pocket, and it has a quarter-inch threading right below it. So you can literally just screw it in, and you can use it as a monopod for shooting B-roll footages, or as a selfie stick as well. Like, share and subscribe if you found value in this video.